Hello my dear kids, welcome back to your English class. Today we are going to learn a new topic from your English co-worksheet, page 189 till 190. So children, I am going to begin with a rhyme. So I want you to listen carefully and identify the topic for today's session. Okay, are you ready? So here it is. Open the door, there you can see Father, Mother, brother and me. Mommy and Papa are so much fun. They are the best under the sun. Grandpa and Grandma are so jolly. We are all a happy little family. Did you like the rhyme, children? Yes? Then tell me, what is the topic for today's session? Yes, I am talking about our family. So, the first question, what is a family, children? What do you mean by family? We all know parents and children live together is called a family, isn't it? And we get care and love from our family. So, family plays a very important role in each one of our life, isn't it? Yes. So, today I am going to introduce a sweet little girl named Julie and her family members. Along with, we will learn the different types of families. Okay? So, please look into this picture. See, this is Julie and her family. Okay? So, I want you to listen carefully while I am explaining her family. And our chapter of family is introduced in the form of Julie's voice. Okay, so I'll be reading the worksheet and introducing her family, and you have to watch the board and listen very carefully. Okay, are you ready? So please take out your worksheet, page 189, and listen to the worksheet. So see children, this is our little girl Julie and her family. Okay, so I have given a diagram here for you to understand more about Julie and her family. So Julie is going to introduce herself and her family for us. Okay, so this is Julie and she is telling, I am a girl. I live with my father, mother and brother Johnny. Okay, her father and mother are her parents. Her father or mother are her parents, and Julie and her brother Johnny are their children. Okay, I repeat, Julie stays with her father and mother. They are her parents. Her brother, she has a brother named Johnny. Johnny and Julie are their children. Okay, and they all live together. Okay, they all live together. And as you can see here, there are 4 members in Julie's family: father, mother, brother and herself. So there are 4 members in her family, and her family is a nuclear family. Nuclear family means small family which consists of parents and children. Okay, so we shall see what is a nuclear family. So we have a definition for it. See, what is nuclear family? The family in which the children live with their parents is known as a nuclear family. I repeat, the family in which the children live with their parents is known as a nuclear family. So, nuclear family means parents and children living together in a home is called a nuclear family, and nuclear family is called a small family. Okay, So I hope it is clear. We have gone through Julie's family. We have understood her family members, and they consist of 4 members, as I said, and her family is a nuclear family, a small family. Okay. Now we are going to look another picture, okay, a picture of her uncle's family. Okay, Julie and her brother, Julie and her parents all are going to visit her grandparents. Okay, so they are living in her uncle's house. Okay, so we shall see her uncle's house now. So this is, look into the board. Now this is Julie's uncle's family. Okay, here you can see Julie's uncle, his wife, his father, mother and their kids. Okay, so I have given a bar diagram here for you to understand more, and here you can see this is the Julie and her family. Julie, you can see Julie, her brother, her father, mother. Okay, now as I said, Julie has gone to visit her grandparents. Okay, so who's called grandparents? See, this is Julie's grandfather. Okay, this is Julie's grandfather and this is Julie's grandmother. Okay, and Julie's father's and mother's parents. Julie's father's and mother's parents are her grandparents. I repeat, Julie's father's and mother's parents are called her grandparents. Okay, and they live with her uncle's house. Grandfather and grandmother, they are living with uncle. Okay, so this is her uncle. Her uncle is her father's younger brother. Her father's younger brother is her uncle. Okay, and this is his wife. Okay, she is Julie's aunt. She is Julie's aunt and these are their kids and they are Julie's cousins. Okay, I repeat, Julie's father's and mother's parents are called grandparents. Okay, they are Julie's grandparents and her grandparents are living with uncle's house, Julie's uncle's house, and this is Julie's uncle. He is Julie's father's younger brother. Okay, and this is his wife. She is Julie's aunt and they are Julie's cousins. They are Julie's cousins. Okay, so they all live together. Okay, they are a big family, isn't it? It's a big family. They all live together. They have so much fun living together. So for Julie, grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins are Julie's relatives. Okay, grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins are Julie's relatives. Okay, so this is a big family and so we call it as a joint family. Okay, Julie's family was a small family which consists of 4 members. So we call it as nuclear family, and here this is Julie's uncle's family. It consists of grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, their kids. Okay, so it is a big family and so we call it a joint family. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now we shall move on. What is a joint family? Again we have a definition for it. We shall read it. What is joint family? A family in which the children live with their parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins is known as a joint family. I repeat, a family in which the children live with their parents, Grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins is known as a joint family. Okay, so all the people, okay, all of them stay together and they should help and support each other, isn't it, to make a happy family, isn't it? So we shall see how does Julie and her family members help each other, how do they support each other. Okay, so we shall see how does Julie's family members help one another. We have a picture here. Look into this picture. Here the first picture shows her mother cooks meal. Her mother cooks meal for the family, isn't it? They share all the works together and her mother's work is, her mother cooks meal for the whole family. Whereas her father, what does her father do? Her father earns money. He goes to the office and earns money to fulfill the basic needs of the family members. And here you can see Julie and her brother Johnny. Julie helps her family by cleaning the house and Johnny, her brother, is helping her family by watering the plants. Okay, so this is how Julie's family members help each other. They support each other to make a happy family. So children, when we help each other in a family, we make a happy family. Okay, so I want all of my kids to help your parents, okay, by watering the plants or cleaning the house, okay, any way as you can. So please do help your parents to make a happy family. Okay, now we are moving on to the last session, that is, we all have a unique identity. Okay, children, when you come to school, you wear an identity card, isn't it? Okay, what is there in your ID card? There you can see your name. It will be there will be a name, your father's name, your mother's name, where do you come from, the address, the contact number, everything will be there in your ID card. Okay, so each one of you is wearing a ID card, okay, for you, for us to identify you, isn't it? Yes. So we all have a unique identity, a different identity. Each one of us is different. So we all have a unique identity and we are identified with our names. Okay. So members of a family have a common family name. We all know that we have a family name, okay, and which is also called a surname. Family name is also called a surname. So all the members, see here, all the members of the family share the same surname. All the members who all are living in a family, they all share the same surname. Surname means the last name. The last name is called as surname. Okay, for example, I have given an example in your worksheet. If a person name is Peter Wilson, okay, if a person name is Peter Wilson, in it, Peter is the name of the concerned person. That particular person name is Peter, and Wilson is the surname or the last name. Okay, so many of us will be sharing our father's name as surname, isn't it? For example, my name is Gia Joseph, my father's name is Samuel Joseph. So I am sharing his my father's surname. Okay, so my name is Gia Joseph. Okay, so likewise you all will be having a surname and we all share a same surname. All the family members of each family share the same surname. Okay, I hope it is clear. So with this we have come to the end of this chapter. So we have learned, we have gone through Julie's family, her uncle's family, and we have discussed the two types of families. We have two types of family, that is nuclear family and joint family. Nuclear family means it consists of parents and their children. Okay, it will be a small family with 3 to 4 members. Okay, whereas joint family, it includes grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins. Okay, so it will be a big family. There will be more members in a family. Then we learned we have a unique identity. Okay, each one of us has a different identity, and we all, the members of each family, share the same surname, surname is called as the last name. Okay, so with this we have come to the end. I want everybody to read the worksheet, read the chapter at least 3 times, okay, and underline the words which you find difficult for you and learn them. Okay, so we shall continue with the activities of the chapter in the next video. So till then, take care, bye.